This is our part 2 of our 9th interior redesign project, a 973 square feet apartment in Canada owned by Queenie, who reached out to us for design help. As you remember, she wants to redesign her apartment's interior into modern contemporary, but she's unsure how and where to start. So, in this video, we will help her design her apartment. This is part of our 100 interior redesign projects for our subscribers. We do this to show you the actual process of designing a room, and to provide you with more practical advice on materials, furniture, and decor you can use for this interior design style. Let's get started. In our previous video, we redesigned her living area, TV wall, dining area, and kitchen. If you haven't seen it yet, click the link below and catch all the details of the transformation. Today, we're going to redesign the rest of her house, which are the den, master's bedroom with walk-in closet, and toilet and bath, the guest room, and the common toilet and bath. Let's start to her den. Her den used to be a bedroom, but she felt it was out of place and didn't quite fit the flow of the house. She asked us what could be done to make better use of the space. Since it's located right next to her kitchen, we thought, why not transform it into something more functional and stylish? That's when the idea of a mini bar came to life. The mini bar now stands as a chic feature in her home. The bar counter is the star, featuring a sleek black marble top with bold veining that adds a luxurious touch. Below, the warm wood paneling complements the marble, grounding the space with a cozy, natural vibe. Above the counter, the built-in wooden shelves showcase her wine bottles and glassware, with strategically placed warm LED lighting highlighting the decor. The soft glow from the lights not only enhances the display, but also creates a welcoming atmosphere. The bar stools were carefully chosen for comfort and style. Their slim black metal frames and neutral beige cushions keep the look modern and minimal, blending effortlessly into the overall design. Right by the window, we added a custom bench that doubles as extra storage. The cushion on top is upholstered in a soft, neutral fabric, making it a cozy spot to sit and enjoy the view or have a quiet moment. Below, hidden compartments provide practical storage for items she doesn't want cluttering the space. For the windows, we opted for layered curtains, light, sheer ones to let in natural light, paired with thicker beige drapes for privacy, and a sophisticated touch. Every detail in this space was designed to balance functionality with style, turning what was once a confusing bedroom into a beautiful, practical mini bar that seamlessly connects with her kitchen. It's now the perfect spot for entertaining guests, or simply enjoying a quiet drink at home. Moving on to her master's bedroom, this room will feature a palette of warm neutrals and subtle textures, creating a cozy yet sophisticated vibe. The wooden panels on the walls add warmth and depth, but they also emphasize clean, vertical lines that define the modern aesthetic. The soft beige walls blend effortlessly with the rich tones of the furniture, so the overall look feels balanced without being overwhelming. The bedding is beautifully layered, adding dimension and luxury to the bed. The combination of the textured duvet, patterned throw, and decorative pillows in neutral tones complements the room's palette. Therefore, it adds comfort, while maintaining the clean and understated look that modern contemporary design is all about. The floating nightstands are both sleek and practical. They save space, but they also keep the room uncluttered. Then, the curated decor of vase, some greenery, and small accessories brings personality to the space while staying simple and stylish. This open shelving is a smart addition. It's functional for storage, but also allows for personalized decor. The carefully chosen vases, natural textures, and small sculptures add interest to the room. Then, the wooden finish of the shelves ties back to the wall panels, keeping everything cohesive and harmonious. A built-in desk is designed in an L shape, making the most of the available space by extending along two walls. This layout not only maximizes functionality, but also provides Queenie with distinct zones for work, study, or even creative projects. So, the L-shaped design ensures every inch is used effectively while maintaining an open and airy feel. Paired with a sleek, upholstered chair in a neutral tone, the desk setup adds a sophisticated touch. Then, the desk's extended surface allows for additional decor, or practical items like a laptop, books, and even a small potted plant, which brings a refreshing vibe to the space. The layered lighting enhances the overall design. The integrated LED strip lights in the shelves provide a soft, ambient glow, while the task lamp on the desk ensures proper illumination for focused work. Therefore, the combination of functional and ambient lighting makes the area versatile and visually appealing. We also add small decor details like the framed artwork above the desk and some minimal displays for the shelving. The L-shaped desk with its seamless integration becomes a centerpiece that balances functionality and style. The abstract art above the bed anchors the space beautifully. Its soft, muted colors enhance the room's warm tones, so it ties everything together seamlessly. It's bold enough to stand out, but it doesn't overpower the overall design. The gold-accented frame adds a touch of elegance, complementing the modern and minimalist aesthetic of the room. Having an indoor plants brings life and freshness to the space. Therefore, it breaks up the neutral tones and adds a pop of natural greenery. These subtle touches ensure the room feels lively without straying from its minimal design. The subtle neutral tone of the rug creates a cozy yet understated vibe. The large windows let in plenty of natural light, softened by neutral drapes. These curtains balance light and privacy, blending seamlessly with the neutral palette. The ceiling design is no longer just functional. It's a focal point of the room. The integrated LED strip lighting along the edges adds a soft glow, which then enhances the room's calm and inviting ambiance, especially during the evening. And let's not forget the modern chandelier. Its overlapping circular rings serve as a sculptural centerpiece. It's bold but elegant, drawing the eye upward and tying the entire space together. This is her walk-in closet. The combination of full-height cabinets and drawers ensures a balance between concealed storage for a clean look and open access for daily essentials. Moving on, her toilet and bath. Starting at the vanity area, this area features a bold marble texture, adds luxury and visual depth. Then, a floating concrete finish sink with its warm wooden base combines functionality and modern style. This oversized round mirror is simple yet impactful, enhancing the sense of space while reflecting light. The marble backdrop gives the mirror an elegant frame, so it feels more integrated into the overall design. This wooden base with open shelving underneath is practical for storing towels, while keeping the space neat. Next, to her water closet, this sleek, minimalist cabinet above it is a brilliant addition. It utilizes vertical space without intruding into the room, so it ensures storage is both ample and concealed. The matte white finish with wood accents keeps the design cohesive, while softening the room's darker tones. Ideal for toiletries, cleaning supplies, or decorative diffusers, this feature maximizes functionality in an otherwise underutilized space. Next, the shower area. The black marble tiles on the shower wall provide a striking contrast against the lighter tones of the room. The wood-paneled accent shelf adds a touch of warmth and breaks up the darker tones. The matte black finish on the rain shower head and fittings ties seamlessly into the overall design. It's bold but understated, enhancing the space's contemporary vibe. The neutral tone flooring throughout the space keeps things grounded, while complementing the other textures. The addition of a textured rug near the vanity adds softness and warmth, tying together the design elements. When it comes to lighting, recessed lighting ensures the space is evenly illuminated, while integrated LED strips around the vanity and shelving highlight key features. The cove lighting above the shower accent shelf adds depth to the space and creates a cozy ambiance, even in a functional area like the bathroom. This bathroom is a masterclass in blending textures and materials. The smooth marble, textured concrete, warm wood, and matte black accents come together to create a cohesive, modern space. Let's now move on to her other bedroom. This bedroom combines comfort and style effortlessly, creating a space that feels both cozy and modern. Let's break it down. The walls are mostly neutral, so the space feels calm and soothing. The accent wall beside the bed features a sleek gray wall panel and black fluted panel design that adds texture and depth. The bed itself is upholstered in a soft fabric, making it look inviting. The bedding is layered with neutral linens, but the dark throw blanket on top adds contrast and a touch of drama. Therefore, the bed feels like the centerpiece of the room, simple but sophisticated. To the side, there's a compact but functional workspace. The desk is made of warm wood, so it adds a bit of natural texture. The chair with its curved back and muted tones is both stylish and comfortable. Then, on the desk, a small lamp and framed art complete the look, making it a space where you'd actually want to sit down and work, or maybe just sip your coffee. The built-in wardrobe is sleek and clean, with its smooth white doors blending seamlessly into the wall. But there's also a little surprise, a vanity nook with soft lighting and a modern mirror. It's perfect for getting ready in the morning, and therefore it's both practical and elegant. The small ottoman tucked underneath adds extra function without taking up too much space. Lighting plays a big role in this room. The ceiling lights feature modern circular designs that add a bit of drama without being overpowering. Then, a track light along the ceiling edges provides soft, even lighting that makes the room feel larger. The natural light streaming through the sheer curtains also add layers of warmth to the space. So, this bedroom is all about balance. It's modern but not cold, functional but still beautiful, and therefore it's a space you'd love to retreat to at the end of the day. This toilet and bath exudes a sleek and luxurious vibe, blending modern design with functional elements. Let's break it down. The flooring is a warm beige tone which softens the space and provides balance against the darker walls. The water closet is wall-mounted, which keeps the design minimal and easy to maintain. The walls are a stunning mix of materials. The marble look tiles on one side bring in a classic high-end feel, while the black textured wall near the shower area adds depth and drama. The combination is bold but well-balanced, giving the space a modern, spa-like quality. The freestanding bathtub is a luxurious touch, perfect for relaxing. It sits against the black marble wall, creating a striking contrast that feels both modern and elegant. The rain shower in matte black matches the towel bars and other fixtures, tying the design together seamlessly. Built-in niches in the shower wall provide a clean, practical space for toiletries, while maintaining the sleek aesthetic. The floating vanity is a standout feature. Its marble countertop with golden veining adds sophistication, and the soft under-cabinet lighting gives it a gentle glow, making the bathroom feel warm and inviting. The arched mirror with LED lighting is both functional and stylish. It frames the space beautifully and provides even lighting for daily routines. On the counter, carefully chosen decor like vases and dried florals enhances the organic, modern look without cluttering the space. Lighting plays a crucial role in this bathroom. The recessed ceiling lights and LED strips provide layers of illumination, ensuring the space is both bright and ambient. The lighting highlights the textures of the walls and vanity, making every element stand out. And that concludes the transformation of Queenie's modern contemporary home. This project is part of our design series, where we focus on creating spaces that are both functional and stylish, tailored to the unique needs of our clients. From the sleek wood-like flooring that enhances the home's warmth to the strategic use of lighting, elegant furniture, and thoughtfully designed storage, every detail was meticulously planned to bring Queenie's vision of a sophisticated, cozy, and inviting space to life. We receive a lot of requests, and we want to ensure the process of choosing our next project is fair. For subscribers who email us, we'll randomly select from those who provide complete details. This includes photos, videos, a floor plan, and their desired interior design style. To show our appreciation for our channel members, we're also setting aside specific slots. For our members, we'll provide a separate email address, which you can find in a community post exclusive to you, where you can send your request. Every month, we create 12 interior design projects. 4 are selected from subscribers who email us at designburst24@gmail.com. 4 are for our basic members, and 4 are for our pro and premium members. This ensures that everyone has an equal chance to be selected. If you have any comments or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Thank you.